The equation of a curve is 2x cube minus y cube minus 3x y square equal to 2a cube, where a is a non-zero constant. Show that dy by dx equal to this. First, given equation is 2x cube minus y cube minus 3x y square is equal to 2a cube. Now, what is your initial thought? You have to get dy by dx. For that, what you should do is take differentiation on both sides. Apply differentiation on both sides. What do I mean is, see, take d by dx on both sides. This is the meaning of applying differentiation on both sides. Clear? Next step. Take this here onto each of it. So it will become d by dx of 2x cube minus d by dx of y cube minus d by dx of 3x y square is equal to, see man, 2 will not play any part, so 2 outside and differentiation of a cube. Clear? Next. Here also 2 will not play any part, so 2 outside. So what is d by dx of x cube? The formula is d by dx of x power n. It is n into x power n minus 1. In place of n, you have 3. So this will become 3 into x power 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. And the good practice is, whenever you are differentiating into d by dx of whatever letter was present, x, no doubt it will become 1, but still you should write. Now over here also the same thing. In place of n, you have 3. So it will become 3y square. And the good practice is d by dx of the letter y. Over here it does not get cancelled. Some place it gets cancelled and some place it doesn't. Instead of we keeping that in mind, what you do is every time write that. Now over here minus, this 3 will not play any part in differentiation, so 3 outside. And how do I differentiate this one? It is x into y square, means it is a product. So you are trying to differentiate a product. So whenever you want to differentiate a product, you should make use of product rule or UV rule. What that is means, d by dx of u into v is equal to, the formula is v into d by dx of u plus u into d by dx of v. How do you understand this? Means differentiating one at a time with a positive sign between them. If you are differentiating u, v outside. If you are differentiating v, u outside. Clear? Differentiate one at a time with a positive sign between them. So here you see, if I differentiate x square, then y, if I differentiate x, then y square outside. Now I differentiate y square, then x outside, equal to, see man, a is a constant, so differentiation of any constant is 0, so that we write. Clear? Next. So here what do we get? 6x square. And over here minus 3y square, dy by dx will not get cancelled, that will remain. Minus 3 times of, here this cancel out, you get y square plus x. Here in place of n you have 2. The formula is n into x power n minus 1 and the good practice into d by dx of the letter y equal to 0. Did you understand? Many forget this. You should not forget. Okay. Whenever you are differentiating, man, to the answer write d by dx of whatever letter was present. Okay. Now, so this is 6x square minus 3y square dy by dx. Now open up the bracket, or what do I mean is multiply with minus 3. So minus 3y square, here plus minus 3 into 2, 6 xy dy by dx equal to 0. Clear? Now, we have to get dy by dx. That means dy by dx should be made the subject. And how do I do that? I keep all dy by dx terms this side, and whatever are attached, I will get rid of them. And how do I do that? See. So this is dy by dx, it will stay here. This is also dy by dx, it will stay. I should get rid of plus 6x square. And how do I do that? By subtracting 6x square both sides, such that this cancel out. Next, I should get rid of this. And how do I do that? By adding 3y square on both sides, such that this cancel out. Clear? Now, from the left out terms, take dy by dx common. So here I have minus 3y square, and over here minus 6xy equal to minus 6x square plus 3y square. Clear? Next, to get dy by dx, divide by this bracket, minus 3y square minus 6xy. So minus 3y square minus 6xy. So this cancel out. This is what we got for dy by dx. And what should we get? We should get 2x square. That could only happen if I take minus 3 common. So take minus 3 common. So what do I get? 2x square minus y square I will get. See man, even if you multiply, still you get the same thing. You have taken minus 3 common in the numerator, so take minus 3 common in the denominator also. So minus 3. So here I get y square plus 2xy. Now this and this cancel out. This is what we had to get, and we got it. Clear?